I don't think they would have sold it if it was. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries, thank you.
So 150 in the seat and the toolbox, probably like 500 bucks. On 3, 2, 1. Ladies, gentlemen, boys, girls, pirates of all ages, we are back. We came to this auction because we got to pick up our axle for our trailer. It's just down the road, and as you guys know, I'm moving soon. I'm buying a home, and in between doing that, I feel I'm gonna need tools. So they had a tool unit here, and I came specifically because this unit has tools, and I wanted to buy it so I could save some money. So anyway, we're gonna take a quick look right here. Someone wants to purchase something, so got to make a quick clip here. Let you guys see what we're looking at. Here we go. What did I buy? I don't know. That's full. That was, I don't know what the heck that is, but I saw tools. Looks like a BB gun. Pretty sure it's a BB gun. I don't think they would have sold it if it was. We'll just probably go through this real quick and I'll see everything that's in here. That is not a Makita. Not a Makita. Wow, what is that? I hope I did not overpay for this unit. I wanted this. Ooh, I needed a skill saw. Is exactly what I was looking for. That is a Mag 77, and I would usually sell that for 70 or 80 bucks, but now I have one. Oh, right on. There is some actual tools in there. Craftsman. So we got a drill set. I don't really need a drill set, but this is what you wanted to buy, right?
Just the box.
All right. Another Craftsman Sawzall. That's actually kind of cool. That kind of helps pay for... Yeah, I don't know. Because I want to keep it. Like the Mag 77, I always sell them when I find them. And now I got one. Oh, batteries.
Got your batteries, yeah, that's the money.
M18 lithium.
Yeah.
Ooh, sweet.
No, we got the M12. Different battery, and then we got the wall.
The box is in great shape. That's good. Very clean. Ooh, nice. There's a whole Craftsman set. I think I'll be keeping that. These will be cool too for doing something, building a chicken coop or something. This is exactly what I wanted. Like this is, I'm picturing in my head all the tools I need and I don't want to buy. And now we have like one of everything, so. A whole charger and everything. All right. Sweet. Yeah, well, that's a nice box. Sweet. So you want it?
Yep.
My first sale in this unit. Probably might be my only sale here because I really think I'm gonna keep all these tools.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries, thank you.
We 100 back. I say we finish going through this now. The compressor, I'm definitely gonna keep. That right there, it's a $30, $40 sale, but now we have a compressor and we have a skill saw. So these are things I'm gonna need for making a chicken coop. We got a DeWalt. I'm literally keeping all this. This is kind of exciting. Little woman's gonna be happy because she likes tools. She likes doing things. I needed vice grips, we needed bolts, and you come over here, this is a whole set of tools. Wow, that is tight. Ooh, it is a Makita. Frick yeah. I said frick. We're gonna keep this. I don't know what I'm gonna need this for, but I promise at some point we're gonna need this stuff. That would probably, my guess honestly, that is a $300 sale. That is probably a $300 sale, but I'm keeping it because I will never ever be able to get another one like this without going to the store and spending a lot of money. Ugh. I'm excited because we are literally, I'm on the forefront. I appreciate y'all who watch my channel. You hit the like buttons, you hit the share buttons, you do all these beautiful things that let me know you appreciate what I do, or you at least enjoy it. And if you've been watching my journey, it's been a long couple years. I was at the top of my game, then I gave it all up, messing up in this business, and then I built it back. And for the first time, I'm in a position where we're close to buying a home. And I believe before the end of this year, because I'm taking my time. I don't want to rush in. A lot of people are like, Pyro, you should do this by now, but it's a big decision. I'm only gonna probably buy a home. I don't have time to buy one like, oh, I don't like this. We're planning, positioning, and I wanted this stuff too when the time happens, because you're gonna go right into a home and we're gonna need to be doing things. So this is like, ugh. All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got game chairs too. Coming in. What's in here? It's empty, but this will probably be the box I keep because I sold in my Milwaukee lockout, as we call it. This is a Husky version, but I'm not mad. Car jack, now that's a little dirty. We'll probably sell that. We're gonna get some money back. I got lucky because I didn't think that was a Makita. It looked like a knockoff, like made in China.
Nice one.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep everything, so I didn't even.
I think it's a good tool. It's a very good tool.
I just needed tools for the house and stuff, you know. This is empty. They bought the box for 100.
Oh,
Those guys there.
Mike.
Mike, yeah.
No.
Nice to meet you. You're right here?
Yeah. No, it's okay. I'm just gonna pick on it and see what I have to deal with. And I gotta go on.
Oh, that's a big battery. I'm literally keeping all of these tools. This is exciting.
Yeah.
Okay, that goes to that piece that that goes here. So, was this like texture spraying? Sharpshooter? I don't know. We'll see. Look at that, the Max Super Framer. That's a cheaper one. And then we come in here and we got a whole bunch of tools. Craftsman, these those I'll sell. I'll get a better toolbox, this stand-up one that has like a matching set in it. But that will bring me a few bucks. It's like a 25, maybe a $50 box. Maybe a $50 box. These look like snap-on, and they are. All right. Now, what's in the trunk? I thought they were video game chairs. I got a little racing car, maybe put them on like a Honda or something. 30 bucks in Stockton. 30 bucks a piece, 50 for the pair, which I think is very reasonable. These are probably like 500 bucks for a set if you was to buy them.
50?
Hmm?
50?
Yeah. Sweet. That's my second sale in this unit. I've never sold two things.
I like the unit. It's just,
I literally came just to buy this.
I know you came for this.
Sweet. We're at a 50 and 100. We sold a toolbox and a chairs. That's not bad. That's not bad. Now, come on, baby, be a jackpot. What's in the trunk? What's in the Craftsman toolbox trunk? Any guesses? Please be something good. Please be something good. That'd be nice. I'll be ecstatic. On 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's a little empty. Oh well. Can't be mad though. I think we did okay. As I stated, I'm keeping all this stuff. That's I'll sell, and this I'll sell. Okay. I'll sell that too. All right, we will come back for this stuff tomorrow. I'm actually gonna keep this too. We need a big level. I'm telling you guys, I'm not really a tool guy, but different plans. We're changing our life. We're changing our entire way we live. So with that being said, that's why I'm planning. I like these boxes, but they are a little dirty. I don't want to keep dirty things. I'm not like super picky. Oh wait, we do want these. But why keep the Husky ones? I'm actually probably gonna be on shelves, right? We're gonna be at home, but that's a good, I see right here, there's at least another 100 bucks and stuff right here, right? This little pile of stuff will yield me 100. And I've sold 150. So 150 in the seats and the toolbox. I have, actually there's maybe more because I don't know what kind of BB gun, but there's over 100 bucks. So let's say 200. I'm almost even and I'm very happy. We'll go on to the next. I got to go pick up something now. Where are we going? We're going to go pick up our axle down the road for our old trailer. We're going to get the old trailer fixed and then we're going to go on to another auction. We're crazy today. Oh, and we bought a $5 unit. You have to wait to see. I bought a unit with 3 plastic totes and a trunk and a baker's rack for $5 that nobody else wanted to bid on.